Hello friends, today's video is on anger management. So here we shall try to understand what is anger, what causes it, and how to deal with it. So anger happens when we feel things are not going our way, or it happens when we feel hurt by what someone has said to us. In either way, in anger we react. Now, reacting means that we impulsively say or do something which we regret later on. So the first thing to do is when we are angry is to respond and not react. This means we think and then we say or do something. That will ensure that there is no impulsive reaction which we regret later. The second strategy to manage anger effectively is to take a deep breath. By deep breath, I mean a really deep breath. So this gives us certain perspective. It's like a pause before saying or doing something. So, what happens when we are angry? Our judgment is clouded. We cannot think straight. So, taking a deep breath helps us to regain some fresh perspective and then respond in a better way. Finally, if these two strategies don't work, then it's better to leave the place where we are likely to become even angrier. So we can tell the other person, okay, I'll think about what you just said, I'll revert back to you, and just walk away. Instead of saying something which later on we shall think could have been avoided. And finally, we should also try to look at things from the other person's point of view. It could be we have made a genuine mistake, that is why the other person is angry. If so, it's better to apologize, to admit our mistake, to learn from it and not repeat it. However, if we feel the anger is not justified of the other person, it could be there is something which is driving the person which may not be related to us. So we should not take it personally, right? Rather, we should try to understand what is the driving force of the other person and we should just let it go. Finally, being better able to manage our emotions in terms of being able to cope with situations, being able to adapt to changes, and not being a perfectionist. These are some other strategies for managing anger effectively. Thank you so much.